arrived at Wadi Shab. You park your car over there, you get a boat and drops you off just there, and this is nice. This is very, very nice. And yeah, we've got to hike on our hands and see where we go. Got some water. We'll see where our adventure takes us. Wadi Shab is about an hour and 40 away from Muscat. Probably the best wadi all year round. Fresh water, very close to the sea actually. And it's so unreal. So colourful and so much vegetation and stuff like that. But yeah, make sure you're wearing some walking shoes, boots, something that you don't mind getting dirty, to be honest, because as you first go through, there's it's like this talcum powder. It's absolutely just so dry, the mud. Some goats, there's donkeys knocking around. But yeah, just make sure you're wearing something comfortable because it is very, very hot. Granted, take some H2O. Make sure you're drinking plenty of that on the walk. It's going to be a tough one. Made it to a big lagoon. I'm going to keep going though. Just look at this. It's just beautiful. We've got obviously a little waterfall over there. Incredible. So happy I came. I'm sweating so hard though. These rocks are so slippy. Walking boots, something with good stickiness would be ideal. Yeah, this is now becoming difficult. So hot, dripping. Got to make it back. Can't have too much water, ration it out. But yeah, it's stunning, but I'm now starting to lose focus on the beauty of it. Too busy hiking up this wadi. The paths are kind of gone, you're kind of making your own way, finding your own way. So it's going harder, a lot more climbing over boulders and stuff. But we're going to go a little bit more. I feel like it's flattened out a bit. So we'll try it, but I'm streaming with sweat. So, I made it. Did look nice to swim in, to be honest. But I don't think I'll be going in. Need to get changed for one, which may be tricky. There is a cave, but yeah, I think I'm just going to get my feet wet and my head. So I'm in the wadi. It's refreshing as fuck. But I was chilling over there, and I was getting bit up by the fish. You know, the fish are dickheads. But this is fucking lovely. It's very nice. Definitely worth it. It wasn't actually too bad, that hike. It was sand, it was hot, it was sweaty, you know, 2 litre bottle of water, fine. And, you know, just make sure you're coming to have a dip. So yeah, this is Wadi Shab. And this is a wadi you must visit. Also, there's a cave Apparently down there loads of people are going. You know what, I've seen what happened to them Thailand kids. I'm not even really for it, to be honest. There must be some crabs or something, because something's nibbling my fucking feet. Right, I need to get out of this. It's funny, as I'm walking back, you can see quite far away, you can see people literally just already struggling. Don't get me wrong, it's a hard climb, but right now it's in the shade, lovely breeze, so just makes you think, you know, may not be the most in shape guy, but you know, fitness is not too bad. It never leaves me, you know. I never quit. Might slow down a little bit, but never quit. Just doesn't have it in my nature. I'll probably keel over of dehydration and something, but never quit. So a little bit proud of myself that I can just keep going. No stops, just water breaks, which is important. But yeah, just never quit. Can't quit. Now at the end, just gonna eventually cross the little lake. This stuff, you'll see it in a sec. It's like absolute powder. Hitting you. Make sure you bring some shit footwear, because it's gonna just get messy. Honestly, I've never felt anything like it. It's like talcum powder on next levels. Maybe you should stick this on your arse and then you might not have to use talc and get all sorts of diseases. So you wait there, and hopefully someone's going to pick me up in a second. Yeah, and here they are now, coming to get me.